How to renew the surface of your Booz Block cutting board. Items that you'll need: Booz Block board cream or Booz Block mystery oil, 100 grit sandpaper, and a clean disposable towel. Start by using the 100 grit sandpaper to sand with the wood grain of the cutting board to remove tough stains and deep knife grooves. After you're done sanding the board, use a clean disposable towel or your hands to apply the board cream evenly across the wood surface. Once you're done applying the board cream, let the board sit for 5 to 10 minutes to allow the board cream to deeply penetrate into the wood surface. Using a clean disposable towel, wipe off any excess board cream from the wood surface. If you have a reversible cutting board, flip your board over and repeat these steps. If your cutting board is used excessively on a daily basis, be sure to always use Booz Block board cream or Booz Block mystery oil at least once a week. For moderate use, always oil your cutting board every 3 to 4 weeks.